Here we've got a 2002 GMC double over center, nice continuous rotation bucket truck here. It's got the chip box on the back. It does have a slight dent up here on the top, but when you get your name on the side up there, hopefully that'll cover that right up. We're going to show you the good along with the bad. Take a look on the back inside here. It's nice. We're going to show you all the way around. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take a look at our 2002 GMC C6500 with a nice boom on here with the continuous rotation double over center. Nice bucket truck ready to go and work here for you today. Give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. That's 260-760-5052. While we're doing that, I'm going to zip up here and show you. This truck has excellent rubber here in the back. Come on up here and take a look. I'm going to go ahead and open up the door here so you can see inside. Nice recovered seat showing 110,000 miles. This has the throttle control so you can rev up the engine. Thanks for shopping Integrity Sales and Service. Again, give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. This truck is standing tall and it's ready to go. Thanks again for watching the video. Again, give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. I sure appreciate you watching the video. If you'd like to see any other clips or anything operating or working, just let me know and I'll be glad to shoot them for you. Again, that's 260-760-5052. Thanks for watching the video.